The Supreme Court says tomorrow, on the last day of its session, it will issue its rulings concerning same-sex marriage, and that includes a decision on California's voter-approved Proposition 8, which bans it. ABC 7 News reporter Carolyn Tyler checked in with some of those who are anxiously awaiting the High Court's decision.
We have not been able to sleep for the past week.
Jenny Chang and Lisa DeSalts had a wedding ceremony 3 weeks ago, but are hoping tomorrow's Supreme Court decision will allow them to follow up with a legal marriage.
It puts our relationship on an equal place to any other relationship.
But critics say if the Supreme Court rules against Prop 8, traditional marriages will be marginalized, as well as the will of the voters who approved the ban on same-sex marriages back in 2008.
Having the vote of the California people in a referendum is, to me, something very sacred. And that's going to really wreak havoc on our proposition process in California.
The justices could uphold Prop 8 or strike it down, with a broad ruling that would apply across the country, or a narrow one that impacts only California. Dennis Herrera is the San Francisco city attorney. He's been involved in the litigation from the start and was at the Supreme Court when the arguments were made back in March.
At the argument, it was pretty clear that there were not 5 votes in the chambers to uphold Proposition 8. So I feel fairly confident that we'll see marriage equality return here to California.
Here at the county clerk's office, they've been busy preparing for the possibility Prop 8 will be overturned. They've trained 64 volunteers, including Joel Engardio, how to issue marriage licenses and perform weddings.
The first day that weddings are allowed, we signed up for shifts. We each will do 4-hour shifts, and as the demand warrants, we'll be here to help people.
If the High Court strikes down Prop 8 tomorrow, same-sex marriages could begin within 25 days. In San Francisco, Carolyn Tyler, ABC 7 News.